this game, we're gonna help this boy to brush his teeth. You can just move the brush over his teeth to clear the germs. Let's see how to make this. I'm going to upload all the necessary sprite that we're gonna use today. Germs, brush, and the boy. Now, first click on the brush, rename it to brush, and reduce the size of this. Now go to germs, rename this as germs, and make the size as 10. Now, I'll increase the size of the boy here. First, we will start the coding for germs. When green flag is clicked, show the germ. Forever, add a forever block. If it's touching brush, go to sensing, use this first block. Then we're gonna hide this germ. Also bring it to the front layer every time. So you can just duplicate this germ as many as times you want and you can position it in the teeth. Now we'll code for the brush. Whenever the green flag is clicked, it should go to the front layer and also add this go to X and Y. Now when you click on this brush, when this sprite is clicked, forever go to mouse pointer. That's it. A simple game is ready. Hope you will try this from your end. Bye bye.